Yes guys, it's Roman here again with another video, and this week we're looking at something a little bit outside of what I normally show on my channel, so let's get into it. If this is me, to be honest, once I take note of those lions, I would just stay in my tent. I wouldn't even breathe. But watch this guy. Are you serious? You're seeing some lions patrolling past you and you're literally going to be sitting up in your tent? Are you crazy? This man is wild. Look there, he's looking out. Are you crazy? I would not do that. What's interesting though is that it seems that the lion is afraid, and I can't understand why. Here it is that you have this new prey that you don't understand. You're not used to it and it's acting bizarre, so I can see why the lion is afraid or simply cautious. And is the guy seriously speaking to the lion, trying to have them go away? Hey, I think the most logical thing would be to be quiet, have the time pass and have the lions go, but this guy is actually responding like, hey. So what though? Is it natural for you to have a camera outside your tent at night? I don't know. Well, I don't know their specific situation. Okay, now this part I simply found dumb. How is it that you almost got let's say mauled or attacked by a lion, and then the chance you get to escape, you're going to use it to go close up your tent?
Boko.
This part of the video really got my attention because it says lion attacks man, and yeah, I was like, whoa, how did this happen, you know? Someone entered the lion's den and he appeared to be explaining something to the lions. And the lions attacked the man. Alright, so here where they're saying that the man refused to leave. I'm not sure the context behind this video, but what I know for a fact is that it is better to face a wild animal looking on than turning your back. Because the minute you turn your back, sort of telling the animal, yes, you may attack me, I am afraid of you, attack me, I may prey. And this also happens with dogs. You don't turn your back to a rabid or an angry dog. You know, so this much I know. So the man looking head on was the best strategy, in my opinion. Aye. Oh. Yeah, this is pretty graphic in my opinion. So yeah, what the guy did here, I think again was the best decision here. His adrenaline must be rushing. I'm not seeing any major injury, but there must be some, and he's trying to hit the lion. Clearly, his feeble hands won't do much, but it's better to ward off the animal than to just turn your back or let it maul you to death. Clearly, the lion here, who is more powerful, could easily rip this man to shreds, but the lion is being cautious. This strange creature, I don't know what it is, I don't know if it's dangerous, I don't know if it can hurt me, so the lion is being quite cautious. Yeah, the lion is being really cautious here. And you see that the man just stretched his hands up here. I was told that if you want to get bears to go away, you try appearing taller than them. But at the same time, for some animals who are territorial, you perhaps would want to show them confrontation or a challenge. Okay, so that was quite interesting. I'm not sure what happened at the end. I would love to find out more, but if you guys know what happened, you can let me know, alright, in the comments down below. Ooh. Alright, so here we see the lion attack the other train or the other guy. I have no idea why. And what was interesting for me is that the lioness actually went in and was trying to stop or calm down the lion. So what this brings to mind, it's like a husband and his wife. So the husband there is carrying on, making noise, being rowdy. And the wife is like, Peter, shut up. Peter, control yourself. You know, so this is quite humanistic, a human trait, I believe. But this other big guy here, it's fascinating how he can control the lion. He's grabbing on the lion's mane. The lion isn't retaliating. That must be trust between the two, or the lion does not perceive him as a threat. But I am curious, why did the lion attack the other guy? There the lion is like, honey, honey, calm down. And the lion is going for him. She's just like, looks like your typical wife. Men. Why must men let their egos lead them? Anyway, so that is my little weekend pastime YouTube viewing. So anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you like what I do normally on my channel, Language, Travel and Culture, check out my other videos, see if you like them. And if you do, think about subscribing to my channel, leaving a comment if you feel inclined to. And recommend videos to your friends, whether by just simply showing them or just recommending that. Share my videos. I would really appreciate that too. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.